I can change
You guys.
the setting of the pit.
How
our picture.
This is Lewis back here. We're in our video here, and today we are just waiting. So,
Lewis,
what?
you're not filming, are you?
Yeah. So, why? It's currently that time. Just 1 minute past 7. We're going to be waiting a couple of minutes, and then we are going to be. Whoa, they're going to be like the bonfire. Just make sure that you have the volume up because you might not be able to see. Here, I mean. Three, two, one. I thought I could say 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, guys, we are waiting for what time Dad has got thing is going to be.
To go off at 20 past 7.
So there's going to be 18 more minutes until the fireworks go off.
There's some going off in the background.
We can hear some in the background, but it's not the one. We are currently at Winter. We're not actually going inside because it will be too thin and we won't be able to hear the fireworks.
What do you mean it'll be too thin?
What is that?
That sound.
So I've got a cat and dog, so my mum is currently waiting at home. So we are filming it for her, so this is going to be filming it for her so she can watch it. So yeah, I'm gonna come back when the fireworks starts. Bye guys.